everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits, PA weather. You get life in there. You've gotten a lot of life lately. So I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Loki, my sidekick. Yes, who's biting everything, and he's been he's been helping me film a couple videos here today, and by helping me, he's been sleeping through it, and he is ready to get out of this room, huh, buddy? Huh? But he's been a good sport. And it is a rainy, cold Sunday. It's still morning, 45 degrees outside. We hit the high overnight, and Loki needs to go outside to go potty. He's still trying to figure out why he's out there. For outfit of the day today, I have on hidden denim from a Wantable. I have on this Aspen sweatshirt from a Trendsend. Threw on these fun Vince Camuto shoes from Stitch Fix. I'm representing all the boxes today. And I didn't put on any extra jewelry today since I was going to be filming and changing. And this is going to be a travel week for me yet again. So I decided to keep it calm today while I'm trying on clothes and doing all kinds of house stuff. All right. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day, and it is an overcast, cold day. I was all worried I wasn't going to get to wear this amazing jacket, but guess what? It's Pennsylvania, and it's like winter again. So the high is 49. It's 38 degrees outside. It's rainy, misty, almost like a snow. It's so cold outside. All right, so for today's outfit, I have on Paige denim from my Armoire. Paired it with a Loft long sleeve tee because I'm cold. This amazing jacket, also from Armoire. I was so worried I was not going to get a chance to wear this, but I don't know why I was worried. It's by French Connection. Love it. I am trying to stick with a springy theme, so I threw on these Sam Edelman mules. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace from Curature, which I love, and my bracelet stack. And that is my outfit today. Loki's here. He's chewing on his toy, so he's behaving at the moment. And my front door fashion posted today. Such a good one, right? It was so good. The pants I love, but they were too long. I know I should get them hemmed. But I sent them back. I did ask if they had petite versions. They did not. So I end up keeping 4. And it's a total blue theme. So the blue and white top, the white Paige pants, the blue Paige pants, and I did keep this blue little dress cover up, which I'm in love with. And that was my keepers this time around, the 4. So my stylist Rachel always does an amazing job, and I really appreciate her. So I just always have to watch my budget and then pick my very, very favorite pieces I think I'll get the most wear out of. The black outfit was really, really cute. I didn't end up keeping it. I think that was the one by, Z Supply? Yeah, it was so cute. I really was tortured over that one. I'll be honest with you, it was not comfortable. That's why I ended up not keeping it and spending the money on it. But it was I thought it would pack well. I thought it would be a great, easy one and done, but it wasn't. All right, well, that is a wrap on Monday. I am headed out of town in the morning, so hopefully I get to see you then before I go. I'm not even packed. I'm behind. I have meetings all day and stuff to do. So we'll see in the morning how it went. I'll see you then. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. And time for outfit of the day. It's just before 5 o'clock, 27 degrees outside, only getting up to 36. It's just me and this little guy up today. Mr. Loki and I are the only ones up at the moment, and I've got to get on the road. All right, so my outfits this week are a little more bland than usual because my meetings require it. So I didn't go for bright colors or anything like that for the next couple of days. But I have on Cabi jeans, the ones with the seams in the back, super cute from the new spring collection. I have on a Cabi jacket you may also recognize from the spring collection. Just a Michael Stars white tee. For shoes, I did pop a gold because, got to have some style going on here, right? Something to set it all off. I also have those are by Dolce Vita, and I have to pick all the shoes up because this little guy chews on everything. Stop, like he's chewing on my snap right now. Stop that. I have a gold belt from the Loft you're going to see in an upcoming video. I have on a necklace. Stop it. A necklace from my mom, plus an Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack, and I think I'm ready to go. What do you think, buddy? Huh? And he's sporting his red collar today. Hopefully he's going to be good, because this is the first time I'll be gone for 3 days in a row. Well, actually gone at all since we got him. All right, let's see how this goes. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is freezing cold outside. I'm so over this cold weather. I don't know why Mother Nature is not getting that it is actually spring right now. It's 27 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 50. It's freezing outside. And let's see, my Loft haul posted today. I have several Loft hauls coming up for you, all the fun spring stuff. So this is the first one. I filmed this, was the first one without Wyatt, but Zena's in the one today, and then after that, I don't have any more with the sidekicks. Anyway, so moving on from that, but I hope you check out the Loft haul, because there are some really pretty pieces I'm sharing in there, and then get excited for the next couple coming up. For my outfit today, I have on Mica denim from a Wantable. I have on a black top that I got on sale at the Evereve store. I like it because it has like the ruching down the front. Then I just threw on a Loft Ponte blazer for comfort. My shoes, I love these. These are by Dolce Vita. You know how I love a slide-on shoe. And then the jewelry's the same. My mom's necklace, Ana Luisa necklace, my bracelet stack. And I'm off. I do have I think this coat I got in, I'm just going to throw this on top, and it is by Sanctuary. It's a nice fuzzy coat that I grabbed when I was heading out. Didn't think I was going to need it, but I'm glad that I have it. All right, off I go. Hope you're doing amazing. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is so cold out, 39, getting up to 49, cloudy all day today. And for my outfit, I chose Paige denim from my Armoire, my latest Armoire. I have on an Evereve sweater from a haul coming up, an Evereve jacket that I got quite some time ago in a Trendsend, and then I have on Donald Pliner shoes as I drop everything. I love these little slip-on shoes. Are they not adorable? So comfortable too. And my same jewelry that I've been wearing. So my bracelet stack on, my mom's necklace, Ana Luisa, and I'm off. I'm ready to wrap up today. And it's not even 7 a.m. yet, but I'm ready to wrap up the day. So, all right, I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. 42 degrees out. That's about the temperature today. Very overcast, rainy, not pretty out at all. Loki is actually getting groomed right now, so it's just me. And for outfit of the day today, I chose a Goldie denim. These are the Fran denim from Evereve. I have on an Evereve sweater from a Trendsend. I grabbed a jacket. This one is my trench coat. You may remember it was by Steve Madden. I got it last year in a Stitch Fix. And for shoes, you're so familiar with these shoes, right? They are my go-tos. And then for jewelry, I just have on a bracelet stack. I have on that Curator necklace again, and that's my outfit. All right. So I hope everyone is doing fabulous, and I'll catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It's a rainy, yucky day, 43 degrees, gonna get to 48, that's it. Overcast, drizzly, gray, just not nice. Loki is trying to eat my shoe. Let go, buddy. No, I already said no once, no. And I have another surprise for you. So I went to, to work for a couple days, came home Thursday night to this little guy. So meet Wilbert, or Willie as my son calls him. This is my son's dog, not my dog. This is my son, so I don't know how much you'll see him or not, but he is so precious. I had to share him with you. I'm hoping that he spends some time with me. He's so sweet. And it's really nice because Loki now has a pal to chew on that isn't me, right? And so do you. You have someone to chew on too, right? Yes, you do. He is the sweetest little guy. He's a Jack Russell and just really chill so far. The exact opposite of Loki, who is all high maintenance, huh? But you're a sweetheart, and he's almost potty trained already. So, and they're born 4 days apart, with him being the 4 days older. So he was born on January 16th, and Loki was born on January 20th. So they should have buddies. You're buddies, huh? So excited about him. All right. So they're probably going to be just playing in the room and, of course, chewing on cords. Willie has already, or Wilbert, has already destroyed a iPad charger or iPhone charger, and my light that I had downstairs over my computer. He chewed through both of those cords already, so there's already collateral damage. For outfit of the day today, in this drizzly, dark day that should be spring and doesn't feel like it, I have on hidden pants from a Wantable. I have on a L&A long sleeve tee from a Trendsend. I have on this blank NYC jacket I picked up at the Evereve store. And then I paired it with these amazing shoes that the dogs keep chewing on from Stitch Fix. They're Dolce Vita. And for my for my jewelry, okay, you can't stand on his neck. For my jewelry, I just have on my bracelet stack, two necklaces from Ana Luisa, and I'm ready to go. I need to share my keepers from my Wantable April Lights box that posted today. Such a good one, right? It really was. It was such a good one. Many of you said just keep it all. I ended up keeping 5. So I kept the green long pullover by Z Supply. I kept the denim shorts. I love a great cutoff. And these were by Vervet. And then I kept the dress. We all love the dress by Z Supply. Kept the pants by Z Supply. I love Z Supply. It's like my favorite. Kept the pants and the shorts from Z Supply. And I just ordered from their site items to match both of these, including the button down that matches this perfectly. So, and I'll put, if you want to try Z Supply, if you use my link, you'll get, I think it's $20 towards your first order. So I'll put that link down below so you guys can hopefully take advantage of that if you'd like to buy something directly from the Z Supply store, which I do. Often, I even think a lot of times you can get 10% off, I think, if you sign up as a new customer. And then, of course, the bag, the little tote bag came with it as well. All right, that's a wrap on this week's outfit of the day. I will list all of my outfits down below. As always, please share your favorite. If I can link to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll put all the box information down below as well. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.